Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl V to the I to the C to the T to the O N Y. I'm Victory and I'm back again with another interesting video. But before we get right into the video, I would like you to take a few seconds and please give my video a thumbs up because I know you're gonna like it. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's the subscribe button down below. Just click on it and turn on the post notification and we are good to go. So I'm going to be sharing with you all some tips that actually helped me in saving. So if you're watching this video, you might be planning to start saving because there are some things you need to get for yourself and you need to save for it. You are watching the right video. Continue watching and make sure you watch till the end. So first of all, before you start saving, you need to have a reason. Why are you saving? Yes, why are you saving? Why are you keeping money? Why are you just saving money there? So you need to have a very good reason. Is it because you want to get something? So you need to start saving for it. So the reason why you're saving is actually going to be your drive. Why I started saving was because there was something I really wanted to get and I know I have to save for it in order to be able to get it for myself. So that was my driving force. The next thing that you need to consider is the target. You need to have a target. How much are you planning to have at the end of your savings? How much do you want to get? So even if you move above that target, you save above that target, then it's a bonus, but you need to have a target for a start. So let's say you already have a reason and a target. So the next thing you need to consider is how do you get the money you're going to save? You're not just going to save papers, you need to save money. So in order for you to save money, you need to have a source of income. You need to be able to get money that you can save. So you need to put that into consideration. So probably you don't have a source of income. You're not employed like me. I'm not employed. I don't actually get salary every month. I'm still a student. I'm supposed to have graduated last year, but because of the pandemic, so I'm not employed yet. I have a business I'm currently running. I sell. So for you to be able to get money to save, you need to have a source of income. So then you need to consider how do you get money now. Getting money illegitimately is not allowed here. You need to think of legitimate ways on how to get money. What are your talents? What are those things you're good at? You need to be able to have services that you render. Yes, you need to have services that you render where people can actually pay you for something that you do for them and you get paid in return. So you need to start thinking, what are those things you are good at? What can you actually do? What can you cope with? That when you do it, people get to pay you. And also, if you're not rendering services, you should be selling something. Yeah, you can actually sell something. What are you selling? Do you have a product that people can actually purchase, they can buy and then give you money? So all these are ways you can actually get money for you to be able to save. So if you have a service that you're rendering or you have a product that you're selling, then you're good to go. So what you just have to do is to be focused, to be consistent and sell your products, render your services the best way possible that you can, and see people are going to pay you for your services and your product. And yeah, saving can be a bit challenging, especially when you're not used to saving. Like me, I started saving right from when I was little. Yeah, my mom would buy that piggy bank and then put money inside. Yeah, that's also an efficient way for you to be able to save. You can either save using piggy bank at home, but a lot of people that are not disciplined enough, they go there, they open the piggy bank and take money out from it. So if you know you're not disciplined enough, you can't resist taking money from your piggy bank, you can actually give a third party to help you hold. That's what I did. I actually gave my mom the money to help me hold, and then I was able to get my mind off the money. Immediately I give her the money, I just forget about the money. So I don't think that my money is with somebody and let me just go and get it. No. So I had to understand why I was saving, the reason why I was saving. And then it actually helped me. And when you want to save, a lot of things will be coming up, a lot of things that you'll be like, why am I saving? Let me just use this money to get this thing. And then that's why you have to understand the reason. And so another tip on how you can actually save is record your expenses. Yes, draft it out and also cut on your spendings. It's not everything you have to buy during this period. Like when I was saving, I see some stores I like, but I know I had a target. I had to set my priorities right, my needs from my wants. So you need to cut on your spendings. You don't need to buy everything you see. So a need is something that you can't do without. Your food, your water, your housing, those are necessity. Then the want is actually some usual things that you can actually do away with that you don't necessarily need. So basically I was able to save because I understood the aspect of saving. I needed to have a source of income, and then I needed to be disciplined and know my need from my want. So it actually helped me to be able to save, and I'm proud to say I was able to save within 3 months. And I hope you can also be able to do that if, and I know you can do it if you are focused and you are stay motivated and you stay committed and you don't relent and you keep working hard. You are actually going to get what you want. So I was able to get the gadget I wanted, and then the many money I reinvested into my business, and I know it's going to pay for way for me later on. And all thanks to God for the grace and also for being alive to be able to share my story with you all. I just want you to not lose focus, to always keep at whatever you're doing. And this is just a motivation to inspire you that you can do what you want to do, get what you want to do at your own pace. You just need to be focused and know what you want and have a reason, have a target, and you can actually do it. Okay? I really want to say thank you so much for watching this video, watching till the end, and please kindly share this video with your friends. They might be in need of it, and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you so much for watching the video. From me to you, it's a bye. Love you.